Hello my dear colleagues, today we will do a beautiful loose hairstyle. We'll start with a section. We'll do a section from ear to ear through 0 to point, and we'll do a ponytail a little bit lower than the 2 point. And now I start to work the nape zone. We will curl it. We will curl it with a curling iron of 32 millimeters. And the technique is from the root to the end, like this. We'll put some liquid hairspray on top of the strand before we curl it. Very important. And if you want, you can put a little bit of powder to the root to give more volume and to backcomb it easier. And after some hairspray liquid on top, we comb it, and with the curling iron I'll put a little bit below the root to give more volume, and after on top of the strand we will curl it with the technique from the root to the end. If you see everything, I curl it to the from the face to the back, to the middle nape zone. We will do the same with all the strands that we have in the nape zone. Then I start to work every strand in part and start to open some texture, and with your finger and hairspray fix it. With this kind of comb you can comb it very well and give the S-shaped line. And then you have to open a little bit every curl that you have in this strand and fix it with hairspray. And it's not very important if it's bigger or smaller, the texture. You can do it in the both ways. We want a natural look, and this kind of technique we will give a natural look. And we'll go to the second strand. We will do the same technique, open some strand, 3 or 4 texture in every curl part, and fix it with hairspray. Don't forget to comb and give the direction of the curl and pull out some texture. It's a very nice and easy technique to do this. We continue with the third strand, and we will do the same technique, just now we will go in the other way. So we will do it from the face to the middle. So here in the middle of the nape, the 2 strands we will meet face to face. Comb it very well and pull out textures, natural texture, and fix it with hairspray. I use from Schwarzkopf hairspray, a strong hairspray. It helps a lot to fix these textures. And do the same with the 4th strand. Also you can put some wax or hairspray, shine spray, because if you have some very dry hair, the wax or shine spray will help to give more shiny look and more healthy look also. So continue with this technique, all the strand. And we will do this technique to all the hair till the ponytail that we have in the almost 2 points. So it's a little bit lower than the 2 point. And we have this effect. And now we will work this side zone. I will leave the ponytail to the end. I will comb the side zone like this. You can put some wax on top to give this shiny look, and fix it with bobby pins behind the ponytail. Now I comb a little bit the end of this side zone just to give more volume in this zone. Fix it with hairspray, fix it with hairpins if you need it, and then I will put some liquid hairspray and curl it the same technique from the almost roots, because I will not go up to the roots because we have the back combing, and do the same technique. And then I shall put some hairspray, some wax spray, excuse me, to have more shiny look in this part on top, and then open it and give the textures some movements like this, and fix it with hairspray. If you have some hair for the frame face, you can curl it now, and we leave for later to open this part. This frame face that I have is very long, but if you have shorter, it's better. It will give more elegant look. I have to cut my face frame for this mannequin, but I will do it in another video. And then open and fix it with hairspray and give the direction that you want to give. So you can curl it from the back to the face or from the face to the back. It's up to you. I will do it from the back to the face to give this movement to the strand, and fix it. After we do the both sides, I will work the ponytail. I will separate in two, and the first part I will fix it like this to have more volume, and I will work the second part. I will put some liquid hairspray. I will comb a little bit to the root to give more volume, and then I will curl it. If it's very thick, you can separate in two parts and curl the two parts in the mirror effect. So one from the face to the nape zone, and the other one also from the face to the nape zone. And the first part also we will do the same. We'll put some wax spray, and here you can pull out some textures if you want this effect. I like to give in this part a shine look and a finish look. And this is our final. I hope you like it. Hope you practice. If you have if you want something to ask me, you can leave it in the commentary section. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.